Anonymous.
Eh.
How we are for?
Then just tell me which school me I go.
Ah.
Me I go Plains of the Moon High, Junior High, dog.
Plains of the Moon, Primary and Junior High.
Yeah. How me care ball?
Because of them I go to.
How you know that?
Because of your paper, me the copy offer. But, at least we all guys see in school.
True.
That's what we done.
True.
You get licked too.
No. No, yeah, not ready.
If you don't see me tomorrow, that me remember that you will lick you.
Alright.
Later.
Alright.